God. I'm happy to say hi to everyone. Good evening, good morning, and can say just maybe good day to everyone. Okay, I just arrived and I have this nice stuff here. I bought for a very low price. Actually, cost me 50% off. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, baliktad. So, here, 50% of the normal price. This is now around 49 kroner, maybe round off around 50 kroner for a whole, nice chicken. We will roast a chicken, and that's for the next video. Okay, and another one. Again, this green stuff here, green mark here, means nutritious. This is salad. 50% off. As you can see, only 9.95 kroner, so meaning almost 10 kroner for a nice salad, fresh salad. And this is good. Chorizo. Nice in my pancit canton or egg noodles. So, and this cost me only 17 kroner and 45 crowns. 50% for 3 chorizo or sausage. And the best is what I have here. This is really good. Only 19 kroner and 50 crowns, almost 20 kroner for 2 chicken burger patties. All you have to do, fry. And since I bought this for a very low price, I bought a burger bread. Too much. This is at 50%, but this is all new, and I like my bread always new, so I will buy every other day. So that is all for now. 1, 2 chorizo, sausage, salad, and 1 whole chicken. And later I'm going to show you all my home cooking. Bye bye. Ito na po yun. I already fried. I showed you yesterday. I bought this chicken patties or chicken burger patties, and I finished frying. This is how it looks like. So after frying, my advice is you have to put it in a tissue paper so yung oil ma-absorb ng paper towel. You see? Lahat ng oil na nasa meat after you fried, mapupunta dito, sasak out ng tissue paper. So, ganyan na. So, it's ready. And also, if you remember, I shared the bread that I bought, the burger bread. Here. I'll show you. This is the burger bread. Okay. Ito na po yun. Yes, and then I place the salad or the green vegetable salad mix. I put it on my bread, and then mayonnaise and cheese, and on top I will just place this chicken patty. So it's all the oil was already at least some of the oil is already removed, so now I can place it on top of my salad. And now I have as you can see, I have now my breakfast. Okay, chicken burger for my breakfast. Ooh la la. So, and with my coffee here, cup of coffee. That's it. So, good morning. Bye-bye.